Hello everybody, Mini Motor Garage here. We're gonna do one of our little DIY tips, tricks, tutorials, 5-minute. We're gonna be making some Hot Wheels shelves. I went to a big box hardware store, Lowe's actually, picked up 2 yardsticks. I think they were like $1 a piece, and I picked up a 3/16 inch dowel rod. I think that was like 50 cents. So I believe for $2.50, $3, I got the pieces that I needed to make the Hot Wheels shelf. Some of the tools we're going to need here, I took a yardstick and cut it up into 1/4 inch pieces. We need 2 or 3 spring clamps, 2 or 3 C clamps, some 3/4 inch wire nails, tack hammer, let's get all that out of the way, and some good wood glue. I just happen to have some tight bond around. You could use Elmer's, any good wood glue will work. Now I took one of the yardsticks and I drove the wire nails about a 1/2 inch end on each end, and then I put one about every 8 inches. So I think I had 5 of the wire nails tacked into one of the yardsticks. You just want a little bit of the point sticking through the bottom. The second yardstick, I put a bead of glue on the edge, then came back with my finger and just kind of smoothed it out a little. Then you want to mate both yardsticks up. You might have somebody help you on the other end since it's 36 inches long. I think my son was on the other end helping me hold it in place. You just want to line the 2 yardsticks up as even as you can get them, and then drive the wire nail in. This will hold them together with some C clamps while the glue dries. There, you put the C clamps on. After a couple hours, we took the C clamps off. There you have your L shape. Then I took the 1/4 inch pieces that I cut off of one of the other yardsticks and glued one on each end. Then we took the 3/16 inch dowel, put a little bit of wood glue on the end, a couple inches, all you need really. I did it on each end, and I think I put some in the middle, about a 3 or 4 inch strip in the middle. You don't need to glue the whole dowel down. Line it up as best you can to the edge of the bottom ruler. And this is where the spring clamps come into play. I just put a spring clamp on each end where I glued and in the middle. Once that all dries, you've got your Hot Wheels shelf. Most Hot Wheels fit on it. This Dodge truck didn't quite fit because the tires were so wide, but pretty much about every standard Hot Wheel will fit on these. You have your stoppers on each end to keep them from rolling off the end, and you have the dowel on the very front edge to keep them from sliding off. And you can hang these anywhere. You can put them on the wall. You can put them, my son wants to put a couple on his footboard of his bed, and he wants to display his collecting Hot Wheels that he has. You can paint these, leave them raw. We're leaving ours raw. I believe they hold 13 Hot Wheels, give or take probably 1 or 2. So for about 20 bucks, you can make enough to hold almost 200 Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. We'll talk to you later from Mini Motor Garage.